Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll talk about ping, how to use ping, what ping is about, and how to block it if you really need to. First of all, let's know what ping is. Ping is a network utility that helps you check whether your network is available or not. It does this by sending ICMP echo requests to the target domain or IP. What we'll do first is we will start with pinging a site like Google to see how it works. Then we'll start using some flags to see how you can customize the way ping works on your system. Then finally we'll go into how we can block it from our server. So first of all, let's start with google.com. So we can see here that this is available, saying this is counting the number of ICMP requests that have been sent and received. Here is the time that it took for the request to be sent and received in milliseconds. I think that's what MS stands for. Okay, let's cancel this clear. We can also set the number of ping requests that is being sent to the target domain. We can do this with the -c flag. So we can do ping -c. We want it to go 4 times. We just use 4, then google.com 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I gave 3 here. Let's just see. I'm not sure why we have 3 there. Okay. It's giving 4 now. We can clear. Now we can also set the number of seconds between pings. Like when we did the one for Google, we saw that it was sending ping within milliseconds, like you see here, milliseconds. But we can set it to a specified number of seconds with the -i flag. So we can do ping -i 2 seconds google.com. Wait for 2 seconds. Um, it's sending it now, but I think I misspelled Google here. But we are still saying that it's sending a request here after 2 seconds. So I can cancel this and clear. There's one more flag I would like you to learn before we go into how to block ping in your machine. We can also set the number of packets in bytes that should be sent to the target domain. We can do this with the -s, which means size, 1000 bytes, google.com, and you see here, you can see here it's not exactly 1000, but it's 1008, almost the same thing. Then we can cancel. We cancel with Control C and clear this. Before we see how we can block ping, let's at least learn why we might want to block ping on our machine. First of all, you might need to block ping on your machine to protect your server from DDoS attacks, to reduce server load caused from unnecessary ICMP traffic. Like some people might want to attack your server by increasing the number of bytes that are sent through the ICMP packet. So you might want to block some of those requests, and also you might want to protect your server from being flooded. To block ping, we will need syscontrol sysctl command to block ping. If you don't have any local virtual machine running, you might need to have one to follow along with this tutorial. I already have one. Let me just go and get that. So I have a Kali Linux machine running in a virtual machine manager. Okay. Um, yeah, the virtual machine is running. So let me first get my IP here before that's to check if we can actually access this machine from our local machine. So we can do this by using IP space A. You see your, where is it here? This is the one, but I can't copy it since this is running on a virtual machine, so I'll just have to type it out. Yeah, type it out so we can see if we can ping it. Okay, it's going now. Alright, so what we'll do next is use syscontrol to block this ping, or let's just leave it running and leave it running. Then let's see how we can block ping now. Sudo, okay, I already have the command here. Um, we are blocking ICMP requests, so we need to change this to 1. Ignore equal to 1, then enter your password. And you see now it responds immediately. The echo stops and the ICMP request is blocked. So we can just change this to 0 and it continues again almost immediately. So that is it. There are other ways you could use to block ping, but this is this is the best way I see to block ping. Thank you for watching, and if this was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.